is where I go.
At Virgin Store, he's already 11 and a half years in Dubai. From Cabanatuan City, please welcome finalist number 11, Stan.
And we would like to thank the following sponsors for tonight. You got the boys Grand Finals, 101beats.com, TroubleWings.com, and Infinity Business Consultancy. Please welcome finalist number 11, Stan.
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, to escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy. Cause I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anyway the wind blows, does it really matter to me? Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life has just begun, but now you gotta do it all the way. Mama, ooh, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, carry on. If it's nothing really matters. Too late, my time has come. Since shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody, I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind and face the truth. Mama, ooh, I don't wanna die. I sometimes wish I'd never been born at I see a little silhouette of the man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, we will do the fandango. Thunderbolt is lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Galileo, Leo Figaro, Magnifico. I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family. Saving his life and his monstrosity. Easy come, easy go, will you let me go? Bismillah, no, we will not let you go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. We'll not let you go. We'll not let you go. Let me go. No, 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 no. Mamma mia, mamma mia. Let me go. Beelzebub, has the devil put aside for me, for me, for me. to me, baby. Just gonna get out, just getting right over here. Anyway the wind blows. Thank you so much, guys.
This portion is brought to you by 101beats.com, travelwings.com, Get Your Wings to Fly, and Infinity Business Consultancy. Proceeding to our finalist number 11.
Dali, anong sasabihin nyo kay Stan?
I love you, Stan. I love you. I do believe in the saying. I love you, Stan. Yung performance, okay naman. Tapos yung tone intonation, okay naman siya, guys. Kaso mabigat siya masyado. So, kaso mabigat, malaki. Pero, perfect. 100 out of 100. Pero mabigat. I love you, Stan. I love you, Stan!
Pwede pong paakatin muna lahat ng ating mga finalists on stage.
At ng finalists, please accept the plaque of appreciation from Kabayan Night Market. You did a great job tonight. Palakpakan natin ang isa't isa. Guys, come on! Yung mga supporters. I know it's late, and I'm so proud. You're a graduate of Bachelor of Science in... Si Marcos. Please accept the award, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Bachelor of Arts in Music.
Ayan.
Valedictorian.
17 finalists. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako, di ba?
Tawagin
Dali
natin. Asa na si Marcus? Bumaba ka sa yung tuxedo mo. Show your tuxedo, bro. Your tuxedo, bro. Come on. Padanin niyo muna si Marcus. Forward, guys, dito sa side, dito sa front. Yung mga medyo maliit ang mga paa, pwedeng mag-forward. Yung mga matatangkad sa likod. Ganyan. Alright, Laji.
Ito muna. I-award muna natin yung mga gift items sponsored by MZ Perfumes.
One of the finest perfumes I've been using, actually.
Marcus, can you help us? Thank you.
See you,
Bakit gusto
nice...
niya ako ulit?
What you want me to do? Go home and eat. No, just kidding, bro. Just help us out. Just hand over the gifts. Because your Ate Laji, see?
Asan na yung
She
aking
can't-
videographer and... No, not that one. Only this one first.
There you
Yes.
go, there you go. Dong, makatapal ka, Dong. Ikaw, Dong, kanina ka pa, Dong. Pass on sa likod. Ayan,
Ayan.
pakipasa sa likod.
Ayun,
Salamat.
Thank you, Marcus. Sino
Marcus,
pa muna?
thank you. Can I borrow your tuxedo? Go. Your mom is here, no? Alright. MZ Perfume,
Sino
thank
pa
you.
wala? Edward.
Sino ang photographer natin?
Ito. Dito
na.
muna ako. Hindi muna ako magpakita. Ayan.
Sila muna.
Oo, sila muna para mag-picture taking. Again, we'd like to thank you, our sponsor, for this gift items from MZ Perfumes. Ay, mag-picture taking muna tayo. Maraming salamat once again to Madam Zainab, the head founder of MZ Perfumes. Thank you so much.
And
Ayan.
1, 2, 3,
And
click!
thank you so much.
Yan.
Ito naman. bago ang ating mga certificates, di ba? Ako ulit.
Oh, si G ulit.
Oo.
The G is Jack of all trades.
Paabot naman ito.
Marcus, where are you? Marcus! We're not done yet.
This one first. This
The black,
envelopes.
the black.
No, the envelopes.
There.
Yes po.
Tapos yun, ano yun? You can just put that down. We don't need that later. Okay.
Alright, ito naman from Mademoiselle. Diba? Lahat po kayo nabigyan ng worth 100 dirhams. Sorry.
Akin na yung iba, be, dito sa kabila. Yes! Para sa inyo mga pa-beauty. Sa lalaki, pa-facial. Diba? Yan. Pass mo kay Ted.
Sino pa?
Sino
Ayan.
pa?
Okay, picture
Sino pa wala?
taking.
Ayan.
Alright, once again to
Sure.
Mademoiselle, thank you so much. Diba, tatabi lang kami.
In 1, 2, 3, smile!
Ayun.
One
Kawawa
more.
naman tayo.
1, 2, 3, smile! Okay na.
Alright.
Binabilisan natin na matapos iniinitan na kami na G.
Once again. So, ayun, natanggal na yung kuko ko.
Next.
Thank you so much para sa ating mga sponsors for tonight. So, may we call on Boss Omar to award the certificate appreciations.
From our...
Also, Madam Hazel and Judge Mike on stage to award the certificates.
certificates. And can you just hand it over to us as well, Marcus? There you go. You're there. All of those for our finalists. And they'll be on stage. It's fine. We award this to Elton Bautista for an outstanding dedication and exceptional talent during the Kabay Night Market You Got a Voicing competition held in Dubai, UAE. Your contributions to have instrumental to the event's success. Event host Virginia Sanchez, KMM manager Omar Magdi. Signed and sealed by, sinabi ko na, Omar Magdi, the Kabay Night Market owner and manager. Here. Oo, sa baba ka na. O, diba sila G na lahat? Here, boss. Finalist number 1. Finalist Elton Bautista. There you go. Marcus. 1 by 1 only. Don't carry everything. It's heavy. Picture. Picture ba lahat, B? Next. Delmar Del Mundo. Come forward. Ay, si Madam. Tabihan nyo na kayo si Sir Omar. Middle sila, la G. They're gonna be in the middle there. Sa gitna daw, sa gitna. In the middle. Yan, there you go. There you go. Next. Si Stan Mark Mariano. Yan, graduate na po kayo. Yan, Sir Mike. Andun na. Bachelor of Science in Economics. Next, Elmer Rafal. Bilisan natin. Let's make this done. There. Picture. Ito naman, Bachelor of Science in Fitness. Instructor kasi siya. Fitness instructor, like me. Congrats! Next up, Karil Honeybee Obinia. Ay, ito para si Karil. Karil, ah. Ito naman, Bachelor of Science in Optometry. Pares ako nakasalamin eh. Next, ang ating next, Gladys Jean Palado. Bigay mo ko sa ano. Boss. Si Boss ang hand over. There you go. Sir Mike. Diyan ka nila siguro, Sir Mike. Huwag ka na umalis. Bachelor of Science in Nightingale. Nag-whistle kasi siya. I-expect ko hindi siya nag-whistle. Next, Mark. Mark, was that, boss? Mark Agapito. Mark Angel. There you go. Bachelor of Science in Gillette. Naka-shave. Next. Jackie Lou Liano. There you go. Yes. Bachelor of Science in Tailoring. Charot. Kasi yung damit niya. Next. Edward Osin. Edward. Bachelor of Science in Dentistry. The braces. Sunod si Angelica Navarro. Yan, o diba? Ito naman, mukhang high school. Valedictorian. High school pa lang eh, mukhang high school eh, no? Nadia May Andrea Buton. Nadia. Ay, sus ko, Diyos ko, Sanpay pala yan eh. Sanpay is Nadia. Oh. Bachelor of Science in Surgery. Uy, just lang nga ba? Sunod, Sir Mike. Sino yan? Si Carol Ted. Si Ted Chan. Si Ted. There, si Ted. Bachelor of Science in... Picture. Ayoko, kaibigan ko kasi. Bachelor of Science in Mathematics. Chris Castillo. Angelica. Yan. Ito naman, Bachelor of Science in Music and Production and TV. Tibon kasi. Mark Antillon. Ayan. Ito naman. Ito naman, AB Arts. AB Arts in Korean Music. BTS, di ba? Alright. Jairo. Ayan, Jairo. Ito naman. Bachelor of Science in Medics. Parang doktor eh, no? Thank you, Kirsten! Ay, ito. Yan, di ba? Yan, ito naman. Bachelor of Science in Culinary and Pastries. Nagagawa ng cake. Mukha kasi siya nakapatong sa cake. Uy, baka i-bash nyo ako ha. Naka-live pa mo. Iza Basher, no? Yan, eto. Ito naman. Bachelor of Science in Cosmetology. Ah, grabe te. Lumiit agad bigla si ma'am sa'yo. Judges. This is for the judges. In recognition of your invaluable expertise and discerning judgment, during the Kabaya Night Market Yuga Voicing Competition in Dubai, UAE, your dedication and keen insights have greatly enriched the experience for all participants and contributed significantly to the success of the event. May we present this certificate of appreciation? Appreciation? Kan isa magbigay si Sir Omar? To Miss Mars de los Santos. Diba? Bonggang-bongga yung idea nila, G. Overtime. Idea pa more. Okay. Pero maganda, G, ah. Picture tayo. Thank you, La G. She made an effort. Guys, palakpakan natin sila, G. Siya lahat gumawa nito, actually. Picture tayo. Okay, babasahin ko, hindi. Same pa rin, di ba? Okay. Next, this certificate of appreciation awarded to and presented to Mr. Zach Allen. Thank you, Zach. Next to be presented with the recognition is to Kuya Rico, but on behalf of Sir Rico, Laji and I will receive on his behalf. Kuya Rico, thank you. We'll receive this on your behalf. Okay, next. Yes. He cannot. Okay. Next, we call in Mr. Eric John Dizon. Accept this appreciation, bro. Diba? Sabi naman, pakulo nila. Diba? Ganito. Aywa. Picture. Alright. Next, of course, our good friend, Miss Geraldine Arizala. Ito magaling to sa mga technical, no? Crescendo, narinig kita sa live, pinapanood kita doon. You have the distinct voice of crescendo, crescendo. Presito, plato, platito. Ganun narinig ko sa kanya. Hindi ko naman naintindihan. Alam ko lang birit. Thank you, that's Sir Omar. Yung ganun mo tayo. Of course, our good friend, Miss Lori Bacalla. The composer. Follow niyo siya sa Facebook niya, nagpipiano siya doon. Panood ko yung ano mo, ang galing mo doon, ma'am. Lori lang, Bacalla na sa Facebook. Meron siyang mga music doon, nagpe-play siya, nagla-live. Next is Sir Michael or Mike Fabricar. Ito si Mike sa likod. Hiramin ko yung coat mo dong. Tapos ka na sa modeling, ako naman magsusot yan. Right? Oh, kayo ng dalawa. Sila na kasi mukha silang magkapatid. Ganda ng coat to. Thank you, sir. Akin na yung diamante mo. Next! Of course, our beautiful son, si Ma'am Hazel Jade La Chica. Yeah, she's here. CEO of Infinity Business Consultancy, one of the sponsors tonight. And finally, meron pa ba? Si Ahmad Mahdi Ahman, in recognition of your visionary leadership and unwavering support as the owner during the Kabaya Night Market You Got a Voice singing competition in Dubai, UAE. Your commitment has been crucial to the event's success. Signed by, of course, event host Laji and your event host EJ. To Sir Ahmed Mahdi Othman. And on behalf of Sir Ahmad, we will receive this award on behalf of Kabaya Night Market. Okay, next! Basahin din. He's one of the bad boy. Then the pokey, the handsome. Yes, he's actually nice. Actually, he's really nice. Very malapit sa puso sa Pilipino. He likes Filipinos a lot. In recognition of your visionary leadership and unwavering support as the owner during the Kabaya Night Market You Got the Voice singing competition in Dubai, your commitment has been crucial to the event's success. Signed by your host, EJ, yours truly, and Laji Boss Omar. The owner, the handsome. Ay, your eyes later. Mystic ka. Sabog na naman ako nito. Thank you, Sir Omar. Yeah, okay na? Thank you later. Yung mata niya green, di ba? Minsan blue. Pag nagagalit siya, nag-gray. Ganun ba yung mga mata ng mga ihip? Letter E? Nag-iiba yung mata niya pag galit. Pag galit yan, nagiging brown. Alright! Eto na, B. Sige na, B. Pababain ba sila? Pababain na? Oo. Kasi
Hindi na, dyan na sila.
Okay lang kayo dyan? Kawawa naman sila. Okay lang?
Can you please change
The order?
yeah,
The music
the
order.
music, of course.
Kasi naka-heels pa yung iba, baka masakit yung paa nila, B. Okay lang? Sige,
Alright.
ito na. Alright! Woo!
We're going to announce one of the special awards. This is coming from one of the sponsor. So this is called Mademoiselle Choice. So sila po ang nagdesisyon. They wanted to give this sponsorship to the one of the finalists na gusto nilang bigyan.
And
so
what is the inclusion of this?
this is with cash prize.
Woohoo!
Maraming salamat, Madam
Cash prize. Ella,
for the sponsorship. So ang ating Mademoiselle Choice for You've Got the Voice.
Dirham cash prize. Hindi pwedeng banggitin? Wag na. Basta cash prize.
Basta cash prize.
Ayan.
Worth 300 dirhams.
Ayan.
Ay, palakpakan naman po natin ang Mademoiselle.
Grabe kayo. Kung naka-apat kayong award, kayo na.
Drum roll.
Drum roll, Marcos.
Nice, DJ.
Airbender ka na naman.
Alright, our Mademoiselle Joyce Bonsamay
Goes
goes
to...
to...
Gusto ko yung kanumi, ganyan. Ah!
Goes
Perfect!
to Chanel.
Chanel! Oh, yung baliw. Ayan, alright. Picture tayo.
Ala, picture, sandali.
Grabe
Thank
na,
you so
dami
much
ng
and
cash time.
congratulations sa
Last
iyo.
time, may 500 ka ngayon, may 300 ka. Just colored. Okay, next!
Alright, next natin para sa ating another special award.
Cash prize again.
Yes, this will receive he will receive cash prize and a trophy.
Sinabi mong he, so lalaki.
Hindi, wala pa. He or she ka.
Nadulas ka naman, airbender ka din.
May we call on
Lutang.
Eric John Dizon and Madam Lori para i-award.
Cash prize and a trophy. Which one? Any of these?
So, best in stage performance.
So sabi nila, G, balik nyo daw to kasi piprint daw.
Piprint po.
Ang
Kailangan
balik nyo lang kasi, lagyan niya dito, airbender ako, nakalimutan kong i-print. Ayan, i-award natin. Lachi!
Best
What is
in
the name?
stage performance.
Wow, stage performance.
Yeah. Drum roll.
Drum roll.
Alright. Best in stage performance for tonight goes to...
Perfect
ganon.
ulit, Marcos.
Senpai!
Senpai! Woo! Taray! Diba? Yan si Ma'am Lori and si Eric. Picture tayo.
Ayan.
Cash prize.
Thank you so
Taray
much.
performance si... Idol ko to idol ko to. Alright, next award.
Next natin, best in costume.
Ay, so best in costume tayo, Day.
Siyempre yung mahilig na mag-costume. We'd like to call on Mr. Zach Allen.
Ito yan, mahilig yan.
Mr. Zach Allen and Geraldine Arizala.
Nanalo ako noon sa Makati Idol. Siya nagpahiram sa akin ng mga balahibo rin yun eh. Mukha akong uwak nun din. Grand champion ako noon, no? Umiyak pa ako. Salamat, Jack ha. Jack. Zach. Kaya dala-dala ko na yung mga balahibo. Natutunan ko to sa'yo eh. Ang hirap kayo magtahi nito, pisti. Nalaglag pa yung iba. Paano ko? Nilagyan ko to ng glue. Alright, sino ang nanalo ng best in Moschuk?
Moschuk.
Oo, Moschuk. Ganon yan eh. Moschuk.
Best in costume.
Anak, costume.
Best in costume.
Ganyan talaga sila magminasalita.
For tonight, you've got the voice.
Drum roll, please.
Yes, Marcus.
Tingnan natin, ha? Kung mag-perfect. Perfect, Marcos, ha?
Costume.
Kinakabahan si Marcos sa'yo, eh.
Kirstine.
Kirstine! Taray, ilang kalapati ang binayaran niyo para lang paliparin. Diba? Best in costume. Okay, picture. Okay!
Thank you so much.
Taray! Gusto ko sang ihawin yung kalapati mo eh. Masama lang daw, bawal yun. Sabi ko, sinayang ni kuya. O yung mga feeds mo, Day, ha? Meron pa, oh. Kasalanan mo yan pag may nadapa, ha? Yan, oh, feeds.
Ito naman
Okay.
yung People's Choice.
People's Choice. Ito yung
Ito yung
sa
combination ng social media, and
Yes.
yung last 3 nights na mga nag-perform
Yes.
sa ating Battle of the Finalists.
Yung mga hashtags, right?
Yes. Hashtags and of course sa crowd mismo at saka sa scorings nila sa mga from the judges.
Okay.
So, yung combination na po yun. So,
Drum
we'd
roll.
like to call on, sandali na.
Wala pala, hindi pala. Judge.
Judge Hazel and Judge Mike. Ayan, ulit
Ayan.
silang dalawa.
Sabi nila, wag na lang kami umupo. Feeling ko tawakin kami. Tignan mo yung ano ni Madam. Oo, nasusundot. Careful. Oh, yung last mo, sundutin mo yan, Madam. Yan, sundutin mo. Seri. Alakas ng tawa ko, di ba? Wala pa akong tulog, Diyos ko Lord. Since 2 days ago pa ako. Puro trabaho. Okay! To be awarded by Mike, ang ating Mr. Sultan Kudarat and ating Miss
King of Sultan.
Infinity Business Consultancy.
Ayan.
Drum roll!
Our People's Choice goes to
Iba naman. Pa. Wala. You will be killed. You will be killed later. Mali.
Maya ka sa akin.
Maya
Mayos ka
ka.
sa akin.
Yeah.
People's Choice goes to Jex!
Jex! Wow! Daming bumoto sa'yo eh. Daming nag-hashtag eh.
Oo.
Alright, cash prize and a plaque and a trophy. Congratulations!
Congratulations to Jex! Ano pa ba?
Ang ingay nila sa chatroom dati, no?
5 na ba yun?
Ayan mo na sila mag-like sa akin,
1,
mag-hashtag.
2, 3, 2.
Alright, next award. What is the next award?
Next award, Star of the Night.
Star of the Night.
Ayan.
Ang masyadong minahal ng madlang people.
Actually guys, hindi po lang ito pang base tonight or base po ito sa
Previous
lahat na tao.
3 araw.
So
Yes.
may mga nag-observe po niyan sa kanila. So the Star of the Night for tonight's You've Got the Voice is...
Ba't ka ngayon? Pinapawisan na siya. Kawawa naman yung anak mo.
Galit na eh.
Okay, pak.
Walang yan.
Wala ka
Talagang
ulit.
Marcos.
Dalawang mali na, Marcos.
Manda ka sa akin talagang bata.
Sorry, Marcos. 2 eyes.
Star of the Night goes to Mark Antilion.
Oh, Mark Antilion. Yung may wig kanina na may salamin. And to be awarded by...
may we call on Madam Mars de los Santos and Zach Allen.
Zach Allen. Ayan. Good job, bro. Ito yung BTS. Di ba? Si Dynamite. Di ba? Ganda ng outfit mo, bro. Oh, take ko, di ba? Saan tatay mo? Saan yan? Over there. Alright, picture please. Thank you, congratulations si Zach and also Miss
Thank you so
Mars.
much. Congratulations sa iyo, Mark Antilion.
Parang Undertaker to ah.
Ito na yung ating
Daddy.
best supported finalist. According na ito dun sa mga posters, combinations of reactions ng heart and hashtag plus their name.
Yes, exactly. The one we posted on Facebook. Those who have most liked and hashtag and
asan
hearts.
si Star of the Night? Bakit wala kang cash dong? Baka singilin mo, kumaya.
Mark, yung cash mo, baka sabihin ng tatay mo, hayop tong mga dalawang tong host na to, budol to. Ang hirap magpagawa ng Undertaker. Ay!
Wala man nag-abot sa akin.
Ganon, tayo-tayo na lang. Just go.
Alright!
No one's helping.
Best
Oh,
supported finalist!
Okay.
Drum roll, Marcos. I will kill you.
Yung nanay mo, bumili ng gatas. Patidig ka muna.
Our You Got the Voice Best Supported Finalist goes to
Yes! Perfect.
Dan King!
Dan King!
Ayan si Dan King, ang ating winner ng Best Supported Finalist.
Finalist. He's one of our grand finalists actually. Yan. Dan King, please accept the award. Congrats,
May
bro.
we call
Congrats,
on
congrats.
Madam Lori again and Eric John Dizon. Ay, wag mamaya ka na.
Bigay.
Mamaya na.
Lahat ng mga
awards.
awards para sa sa mga finalists natin doon sa taas sa 3 araw and today. Si Dan King.
Congratulations to Dan King.
Picture. Congrats!
So, eto na.
Congrats! At di ba? Pumunta ka lang dito nanood, bro, may cash ka na agad. O, di ba? Next!
Ito na ang ating major awards. We're going to announce the winners.
Ito yung maliit, 3. Ganun pala siya. Yung vape. Sa top 3, right?
Oo, vape plus ito. Ayan.
Wala ako, Ton. Ton, tagay ko, Ton. Ton, vape, Ton. Ay, si Anton, ay. Joke lang, Ton. Ay, okay, tinood. Ay, may vape ako, babe.
Second runner-up will
Go.
receive a trophy, a gift items from Vape Extreme, and also from tindahan ni Manong at ni Manang.
Okay.
And of course, a cash prize of 1,000 dirhams.
Woohoo! sulit ang inyong pagod, dears. Ito yung maliit ba, right? Malamang.
Malamang.
Alam na, malaki. Third nga, di ba? Gago si EJ. Buang talulutang na naman ako.
May we call on Miss Geraldine.
Geraldine Arizala.
Yes. Miss Laurie and Eric John Dizon to award the
tatlo
prize
sila.
of...
Tatlo?
Tagtatatlo naman.
Second runner-up! Woohoo! Garnering! Dito na, baka masilip nila yun. Garnering an average score... Di, baka magkamali ako, kinaman ako. Tama ba yung pagbasa ko? Ito ba? Ito ba yung huli? Ito ba? Huy, mas Steve Hardy ako. Silipin mo nga muna. Mas Steve Hardy ako, yung mabasa ko. Ito. Okay. Garnering an average score of 93.16%. Di ba? Ang taas!
Grabe.
Drum roll! Huwag na natin patagalin. Sige.
Tagalan natin ng konti.
Talon! Perfect!
Our second runner-up goes to...
Third. Oh, second runner-up. First runner-up na champion. Kayo na dito. Kayo na mag-host.
Kami na nag-ano niyan.
Kayo na.
Ha?
Tama naman yun. Galit. Second first champion, ganun.
Galit.
Ganun. Uy, love natin yan, ang Coco Loco. Kay si John Paul tsaka si Shabir.
Our second runner-up, You Got the Voice, goes to... Delmar! Congratulations to Delmar!
Taas ng score! 93.16. Ito naman ang hindi para ko talaga mali pagbasa ko. Congrats! Picture tayo?
Picture. Thank you so much.
Guys, sa lahat kayo magagaling. I really do. We really do appreciate your effort. Pero tatlo lang talaga ang swak sa pandasan ng judges. Okay?
Alright. Our first runner-up.
Garnering an average score of 95.47%. Ang taas.
Yes.
Diyos ko.
Our first runner-up will also receive a gift item from Vape Extreme, from tindahan ni Manong at ni Manang, a trophy and a cash prize of 2,000 dirhams. DJ?
Magkamali.
Goes to... Patingin. Baka magkamali ako. Patay tayo dyan. Ayun, our first runner-up goes to... Chanel! Congratulations to Chanel. May we call on Judge Geraldine, Madam Mars de los Santos, and Eric John Dizon to award the prize.
2,000 dirhams. A gift from our sponsors. 300 dirhams from TravelWiz.com. Isisend lang namin yan sa iyo, ha? Yan, bigyan natin sa award ng mga judges. And a trophy from Kabayan Night Market. O, diba?
Ito na lang
ganun
kay
talaga.
Eric. Tapos,
expect the unexpected. Ganun sa contests.
ito po, ayan. Yan,
Kinakabahan na sila. Isa na lang. Picture.
Alright, thank you so much. Once again, congratulations to our first runner-up. You've Got the Voice singing competition.
Ito na.
First of all, may we call on Judge Mike, Judge Hazel, and Boss Omar to award the Grand Champion.
The 3,000.
Yes.
Sige, 3,000. Desert Safari for 2 VIP access from TravelWiz.com. Vape Extreme from Vape Extreme para sa vape. We have a goodie bags or tawag dito, a gift from
tindahan ni Manong at ni Manang.
Grabe ang Grand Champion natin.
Syempre, ang cash prize kay Boss.
Cash prize. It's been a thrill ride, everyone. Maraming salamat for joining. Palakpakan natin ang bawat isang Pilipino talaga is likas sa talino at talento. Ayan. Palakpakan natin mga sarili natin, guys. Come on! Come on! Palakpakan! Palakpakan natin. Palakpakan. Maraming salamat. Ayan.
Alright.
Garnering an average score of 96.63%. Ang taas.
Ang taas. Grabe.
Kalaan
Alright.
nyo kung sino. Ito ba'y babae? Lalaki?
Sino sa tingin ninyo ang first ever You Got the Voice Grand Champion Season 1?
Sino?
Sino? Ang dami kasi magagaling, no? Kaya ang hirap.
Male or female? Male! Paano kung nasa gitna? Wala. Wala ko, hindi ko sila ano.
Alright.
Alright!
Our grand champion of You've Got the Voice Singing Competition, Kabayan Night Market You Got the Voice Singing Competition.
Season 1 and Season 2 will be on the
DJ
corner.
drum roll, please.
Maraming salamat sa lahat. We're gonna see you again at Season 2. Meanwhile,
The grand champion of You've Got the Voice
is... Ulit.
Bakit nauna ka sa akin doon?
Ito si Marcus. He's hungry. He's
Ulit na naman.
hungry again.
Again.
Okay. Go. Rampa na.
Our grand champion.
Bilisan mo kasi yung boss natin. Nag-visit na.
Marcos.
Marcos, no salary today, ha?
Alright, the first ever Kabayan Night Market Grand Champion Season 1 is...
To receive cash prize of 3,000 dirhams, a trophy, and a gift vouchers from our sponsors.
Yes.
Okay na, okay na.
Okay na, goes to... Stan! Congratulations to Stan!
Stan yung grand winner. Stan is a grand winner. Congrats.
Congratulations to Stan!
Your cash prize from Boss Omar. Ay, naku, grabe. Deserve na deserve ka, bro. Let's have a big wow.
Pwede po bang tawagin ang mga judges for picture taking ng ating first ever winners
First
ng
ever winner?
Kabayan Night Market? Bababa na ako. Oo.
Tiri-eyed siya, tiri-eyed.
Yeah, again, announcement guys, tomorrow is the seminar for Infinity Business Consultancy.
Seminar?
Yes, free seminar.
Infinity Business Consultancy.
Congratulations. Aray ko, nasa tenga ko pala.
Okay. And we have the last
Ah?
3 days ang night market before we end the season. Bukas pa po ang night market for the last 3 days. Anything you want to purchase and to buy, grab some deals. There'll be some deals to be offered to each and everyone. Please visit us starting today, tomorrow, and for the next succeeding 3 days. Before we end, kasi mainit na. Alright? Picture tayo.
All judges. Dito ba ako? The judges, please. Ayan, yung mga judges natin with Boss Omar. Pwedeng pagitna natin si Boss Omar. Ayan. Ayan. O, ako wala. Wait lang. Ako pala wala. Alright, congratulations. Thank you so much. Sino pa pong gusto magpa-picture mga finalist? Stan, congratulations sa'yo. Ayun, thank you so much. Chanel, congrats. Congrats sa'yo. Congrats, Delmar, ha? Congrats, galing.
Our grand winner, may picture taking ka from our expat media, sa ating media people. Ayan. Sir Omar, expat
Yeah,
media
expat
people.
media.
We'll take a picture for you.
Alright, picture naman tayo with boss. Wait, one more picture, boss. Oh, here.
Si Edward. Jai, dito tayo, Jai. Dito tayo.
Alright, thank you so much. And Stan, congratulations. And again to the panel of judges, maraming salamat po, Miss Mars de los Santos. And maraming salamat po.
Mike Canizares.
Madam Lori, maraming salamat.
Lori,
Eric
nice to see
John
you again.
Dizon.
Eric John
Kapsat
Dizon.
Zach, thank you so
Zach.
much. Love you.
Kabayan
Madam Geraldine.
Rico.
Kabayan Rico.
And Geraldine Arizala. Thank you so
Boss,
much.
may Boss Omar.
Food.
Food. Whoa! All of them. May we ask,
Picture. Ay, salamat. Ate, uli na kayo?
Sir Ahmad of Canto Grill. Canto Grill.
Galing.
Paging Sir Ahmad of Canto Grill. Sir, may we have someone to ask for dinner, please, for the judges? Thank you so much.
Again, congratulations to Stan, Chanel, and Delmar.
Yes, and to all the winners,
First
congratulations sa inyo. Maraming
It's
salamat.
been a thrill ride. It's been a wonderful experience with you guys. Nagtatapos na po ang night market, but we have 3 more days to go as per owner. Please purchase everything you want kasi may mga special deals sila for the last 3 days, be. So,
Order po muna kayo ng food nyo. Pwede pong i-take away.
Yes.
Oo, wag nating gutumin ang mga judges natin.
pwede nyo i-take away or give it
Madam
away.
Mesa tsaka si Sir Cesar, kain po kayo.
Yes.
Oo.
Okay? Nagkagulo na. And I would like to thank as well Expat Media.
Yes.
We are live
Madam
for
Mars,
joining
thank you so
Miss Mars
much.
de los Santos.
Oo, Madam Geraldine. Kabayan Rico.
She
Ayan.
as Miss Jory, and maraming salamat. Yan, lagi silang nakabantay sa atin. Yan. Okay. And this is it, G.
Alright, so that's all for tonight.
All for tonight. And I would like to thank as well Marcus.
Yes, Marcus, thank you so much.
Gonna miss you.
You look handsome tonight, ha?
Yes, you look person tonight, person.
Person.
You look person. Please look for Zach Allen. Ala ka, in-announce talaga live. Sorry. Sabi niya, ina-appreciate ka lang daw, Marcus, ng ating judge. Tingnan mo. Pedophilia ka na naman.
Nagmura, loko-loko ka. Ay, bukas po may free seminar ang Infinity Business Consultancy, and only this month na lang po ninyo pwedeng i-avail ang inyong mga full scholarship.
Yes.
So next month po, mapo-forfeit na po yung inyong mga full scholarship.
Yes, ay
Ayun.
naka-live din pala tayo doon, no? So dala pa lang live. Again guys, ulitin natin sa nanonood, sa mga manonood po at magre-replay nitong ating live. Lahat po na naka-receive ng scholarship since day 1. Last day na po, this end of the month, right?
Yes, oo.
Until end of the month to claim your full scholarship na schooling sa Infinity Business Consultancy. Again, last week na po.
May nawawala pong watch. Gold watch.
Somebody own this watch.
Sa billiard po, ito.
It's
Sa
a
mga
guy watch.
Nakaiwan.
Gold. Seco. Someone tell name inside the billiards. That's what, sir. Sir, Eddie Boy, the Pogi Boy. Okay, someone who owns this watch, gold watch po, guys.
Stan, paging Stan.
Stan
Hanap
po?
ka ni Boss Omar. Who?
Hinanap ka.
EJ. What?
Ano daw?
Ano daw?
What?
Last song.
Last
Si Stan. Kakanta si Stan.
I-request ka ng may-ari. The
Ay,
owner
kasi
wants
naman,
to...
sigawan tayo dito. Alright. May request tuloy.
Somebody who owns this watch. Otherwise, I'm gonna sell this to...
Ay, sa'yo?
Tindahan ni Manong at ni Manang. Ay, sa'yo.
Sa tita mo.
Tita mo. Ayan. Sige, be. Naka-live pa rin tayo. Oo. Sige. Sabihin ko na, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Ganun, no? Bahala kayo dyan. O yung ano, B, yung mga sash. Tinatapakan mo siya.
Yan. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat po ng kaibigan ko and sa lahat ng judges and kay Lord, maraming salamat po. This song is dedicated to all of you guys. And if you know the song, feel free to sing along, guys. And I would do anything for love. I'd run right into hell and back. I would do anything for love. I never lie to you, and that's a fact. But I never forget the way you feel right now. Oh no, no way. And I would do anything for love, but I won't do that. No, I won't do that. Come on, people, clap your hands in the air. Come on. And some days it don't come easy, and some days it don't come hard. Some days it don't come at all, and these are the days that never end. And sometimes we breathe in fire, and some nights you come in nice. Some nights you're like nothing I've ever seen before or will again. Or maybe I'm crazy, oh it's crazy and it's true. I know you can save me, no one else can save me now but you. As long as the planets are turning, as long as the stars are burning, as long as your dreams are coming true, you better believe it, that I will do anything for love. Oh, I will do anything for love. I will do anything for love, but I won't do that. No, I won't do that. I won't do anything for love, anything you've been dreaming of, but I just won't do that. I won't do anything for love, anything you've been dreaming of, but I just won't do. And some days I pray for silence, and some days I pray for soul. Some days I just pray to the God of sex and drums and rock and roll. And maybe I'm lonely, that's all I'm qualified to be. There's just one and only promise I can keep. As long as the wheels are turning, as long as the fires are burning, as long as your prayers are coming true, you better believe it, that I will do and roll, guys.
Rock and roll. Rock and roll.